These pictures behind me, these lines would tell the story that this time there is no boycott. Yes, polling started slowly because of the cold, and then sun is breaking through the clouds, and as the day progresses, people in large numbers are coming out to cast their vote. I am here at a place called Dangarpura, which is part of Budgam district and part of Srinagar parliamentary constituency. For example, last parliamentary elections, Pulwama, which is part of Srinagar parliamentary constituency, it recorded just 1% voting. But since morning, like these lines, people across Pulwama are coming out and voting. So is the case with the most parts of Srinagar as well. And I can tell you, not the youngsters like him who are coming, who are the first time voters, but those who had voted in the past, most of them have not voted in the past. आपने पहले कभी वोट किया था? नहीं किया था? नहीं। आज पहली दफा को?
हाँ, आज पहली दफा है आज मेरा।
हाँ, आपने भी किया था? पहली दफा। तो कब से आपका वोट था?
पता नहीं,
कई साल से।
हाँ, कई साल से था, लेकिन आज पहली बार डाला था। तो आपका तो जाहिर सी बात है,
Yes, it's my first time.
First time.
Yes.
So what are your priorities? What is in your mind when you come here and cast your vote? What
Because my father says go and
अच्छा, your father tells you.
yes.
अच्छा, तो बहुत अच्छी बात है, आपने अपने बच्चे को बताया कि वोट डालो, क्योंकि वोट की अहमियत क्या है, क्या इश्यूज हैं आम लोगों के जब वो वोट डालने इस वक्त जा रहे हैं। कोई डर नहीं, कोई खौफ नहीं, पहली बार इतनी बड़ी तादाद में लोग वोट डालना चाहते हैं।
आज जरूरी वोट त्राउन क्योंकि कैंडिडेट से चुन आज बत कत कर ब्रोह कुन कत पकन यह जरूरी वोट त्राउन इसलिए बचन वन वोट त्रो आज
he is saying that it is very important for all us to vote so that we can elect a right candidate who can represent us. आप भी पहली दफा वोट डालना?
बहुत बार डाला।
अच्छा, आपने डाला है, आप फर्स्ट टाइम वोटर नहीं है। So nice. So you can see on the other side also women, they are waiting for their turn to cast their vote. So it is very, very interesting. As I have been saying for last several days during the campaigning also, that during these elections, people of Srinagar constituency are defeating boycott politics before they elect their new MP from Srinagar. So Srinagar is essentially leaving behind its boycott legacy, people in large numbers and coming out to vote. It's not that people were not voting in the past, they were voting in previous election, but the urban areas were badly affected by the violence or the boycott calls. So this time people coming in large numbers, but at the same time political parties, as we heard Farooq Abdullah talking about how their political workers have been detained ahead of polling. Same is the allegation by the National Conference and other parties. So there has been some clarification by the police and the election authorities here as well. But political parties are asking question why their workers have been detained ahead of polling.